begin the later type of story. Read the letter written by a participant of the Clean Indians mission to her pen friend in Germany. This is the letter that is written by Anju, and this letter written to her pen friend who lives in Germany. And she is written here that to whom that she is written this letter, who lives in Germany, Alexandra. And Alexandra is the name who lives in Germany. And here, in your last letter, you told me about the famous festivals, Rehen in Flemen. I am sure that the spectacular fireworks display is something that everyone would enjoy, and I hope to see it someday. Here is expecting something to see and to enjoy about that moment, and that is fireworks, that is displays in a year, every year, in the form of festivals that it is celebrate. So here, as you wanted to know about festival in India, let me tell you that already here Anju received one of the letter of from her pen friend who lives in Germany. She just willing to know about the Indian vastness, about the Indian vastness, diverse culture and traditions. So here Anju is written some of the festivals that is oftenly celebrate in India in every year. We celebrate many festivals together that she is written to his pen friend, to her pen friend, that she willing to know about the festivals, type of festival that is celebrate every year in India. We also celebrate three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So this is the one of the festival, and another one is national festivals that are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So these are the national festival that she is written to her pen friend. In my last letter I wrote about how we celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day. Let me now tell you about Gandhi Jayanti. So previous time also Anju wrote a letter to her pen friend about the festivals, but this time she is written here about the Gandhi Jayanti, why Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated. So in this letter she just wanted to introduce to her pen friend. So we celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti to commemorate the birth anniversary of the father, so of our nations. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar of Gujarat. So in this letter she is written here that Gandhi is the father of nations, and he was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar of Gujarat. Many years later, Gandhi went on to become one of the most prominent leaders of our country. So she also written that about the Gandhi's lifestyles, how in those days that the Gandhi that played a crucial role and became a prominent leaders among all leaders. He helped us gain independence from the British. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer services and paying tributes to Gandhiji. So on 2nd October, we oftenly, or the nations people of citizen, that means do prayer. There is some prayer services is conducted on that day as a tributes to Gandhiji, and it is conducted especially at Rajghat. Gandhiji memorized in New Delhi, memorial in New Delhi. In 2014, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in a unique way. So here also mentioned about the Gandhiji celebrations that did in 2014, how it was extraordinary celebration that did in 2014. What was the speciality on that day that extraordinary it becomes that year 2nd October the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched at Rajghat by the government of India. So that was the special extraordinary things that happened on Gandhi Jayanti. That was the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and still on 2nd October Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is celebrating in not only that year but still now also celebrating in every year on 2nd October of Mahatma Gandhi birthday. So कीपिंग द गांधी जी आइडियोलॉजी इन माइंड, सो गांधी जी का भी एक अपना आइडियोलॉजी था. गांधी जी बिलीव दैट इट वॉज ऑफ utmost importance to maintain cleanliness and hygiene, and that even persons was equally responsible for maintaining cleanliness at home and of the city at large. So Gandhi ji also had the focus regarding the cleanliness and hygiene not only at home but in the city also. So the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has become a movement today. So it becomes a movement, एक आंदोलन की तरह ये आज के दौर में ये बन गया है. We as citizen of India have taken up ourselves the responsibility of keeping our city and our nations clean. So from that moment, that it means that in 2014 it is started from the 2014, and it becomes like a oath to every citizen of India that all having the responsibility of keeping the city, not only the city to keep remain clean but also as well as nations too. It is India's biggest ever cleanliness drive. Millions of people including schools and colleges students participate in it to transform India into a clean and diseases free nation. So on that day onwards, this mission became a movement, that means movement, and from school, college, that means all entire state of India, people's taking participate in it in order to transform India free from diseases. To contribute towards this campaign and fulfill my responsibility as a resident and citizen of my country, I along with my family participate in the cleanliness drive that is organized every week by the city municipal body. So here the writers also that usually he takes part with his along with his family by every week with municipal body. to clean their surrounding, cleans not only that about their locality but also to their city. For the first time, many of us realize how dirty our city really is. Though the cleaners sweep the roads and pick up garbage every day, there are still some places and as parking lots and open markets that remain neglected. So here, while cleaning the surrounding areas, at that time people begin to realize that the still that after cleaning still there is uncleanliness around the some of the areas, in not only in the locality but also in the city, like parks, parking lots, still open markets still remain unclean after though the cleaning is done. So, moreover, though through toffees, wrappers, packets, bottles, and bits of paper everywhere, we do not use dustbin. Why it is so? Because due to our carelessness. Because we throw wrappers, toffees, packets, bottles. These all are the things that we throw anywhere. We sometimes neglect all these things that we should have to put it into the dustbin. But without dustbin, that without using any dustbin, we throw anywhere. Some people have the habits of spitting on roads. These all are also makes the uh, environment unclean. Garbage everywhere. We feel that is the duty of the local municipal bodies and the workers to keep the roads and park clean. But that is not true. It is our duty too. So this is not only the duty of that municipal bodies or a workers, but it's individual citizen of people or a local areas peoples having a duty to keep the environment clean. We realized that the importance of clean surrounding when recently all the workers of our city went on a strike. Dump of garbage and litter were not only an eyesore but also warming of impending diseases. The Resident Welfare Association of our locality concluded that we had to make ourselves equally responsible for the cleanliness of locality. She also she also uh, written that about that when the workers went on strike, at that time what happened, that people were realized about the impending diseases. So Residents Welfare Association of that writer locality concluded that uh, that every Sunday the residents area should be clean, and in that all have to take part in it from each member of the family. So from that moment becoming a part of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Well, I have been going on for long. Before I close for today, I will like to tell you how we as a nation have changed because of this drive. So, yes, it can be possible if we take a positive decisions, the nation will transport in another form. And that another form will be positive form, and upcoming generation will get the lesson how to spend and how to spend that leisure time, as well as how to live in a community. It is a big lesson for upcoming generations. I have put in some newspaper clipping for you. So writer ने इसमें कुछ clipping भी डाले हैं about the naming with the states, some of the कि जिसमें कि दिए गए हैं यहाँ पे. In the next letter to tell me something interesting that is happening in the Germany. So अंजू ये भी पूछती है कि जर्मनी में क्या हुआ, उसके बारे में भी आप लिखना, जो कि मैंने अपने इंडिया के बारे में क्या क्या हुआ उसके बारे में लिखा. आई विल टेल यू अबाउट समथिंग एल्स दैट विल इंटरेस्ट यू, और इन द नेक्स्ट लेटर आई विल से और आई विल राइट समथिंग दैट वुड बी very interesting. Take care. I leave you with a song called Segregat song by Ricky Cage, our own Grammy Awards winning music composer and conservationist, by Anju. So this is the letter from Anju to her pen friend who lives in Germany. Her name is Alexandra. So this is the very remarkable and very extraordinary that whole the nation became change, and in every year that Swachh Bharat and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is become the part of our just like a festivals. I hope that you understood. See you in the next video. And there is a homework for you all. Do the activity of this chapter, that is question answers.